Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Stripe account. Now here we're in stripe.com and at the top right area you can see the sign in option. Of course we want to create an account, but we can click on sign in. And while you don't have an account, all you need to do is to go down where you have create account. You can see new to Stripe, create account. So we're clicking it now. And right here you get to put your email, your full name, your country and your password. You also get to decide if you want to get emails from Stripe about product updates and other things like that. So we're going to put in all these details to proceed. And now we've put in all this information, we're going to click on Create Account. And on this next page, you get to verify your email address. This means we're going to go over to our email and then click the link from Stripe. So we're going to click on Open Gmail, and then right here, you can see we have the option to verify email. So we're going to click on the button, which also has a link. And there you have it. We've just created our Stripe account. Of course, this is just the initial stage, but we've just created a Stripe account. The next steps, of course, is for your preference where you get to talk about your business and set it all up. And now we have our Stripe account created. You can go ahead and proceed with other things which you can do with Stripe. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.